Jack is captured by the mean, sick monster who gives him a terrible cold. But Jack knows what to do.
What?
Jack sneaks up to the sick monster
With orange juice.
The sick monster is scared
Okay,
of
here it
orange
comes.
juice. Ah, orange juice! The sick monster ran away, and Jack feels all better. I'm finished with my comic book.
That's good. Meanwhile, back with Jack.
Here you go, Jack. It's another comic book about you. I made it up and drew it myself.
You made this whole thing by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Thanks, Why? I already feel a lot better.
That's good.
Hey, let's read this together.
Hip hip hooray! The super reader saved